5 reasons why electrostatic disinfection is so important for commercial cleaning today. These are 3 questions you should be asking right now. 1. Commercial janitorial services clean my facility, but is it disinfected? 2. If your commercial cleaning company is disinfecting your facility, are they doing it effectively? 3. Are they doing electrostatic disinfection? Electrostatic disinfection has emerged as one of the most effective weapons in the battle against COVID-19. When it comes to protecting your facility, employees, customers, visitors, or tenants, it provides a much higher level of disinfection. Here are 5 reasons why electrostatic disinfection is important for commercial cleaning in today's environment. 1. Electrostatic disinfection provides complete coverage. 2. Electrostatic disinfection is a fast process. 3. Electrostatic disinfection has a rapid kill rate. 4. Electrostatic disinfection is more environmentally friendly. 5. Electrostatic disinfection fights more than COVID-19. The OpenWorks nationwide network of elite service providers has fully trained technicians that can provide disinfection services using electrostatic sprayers while following all CDC, EPA, and OSHA guidelines. Contact OpenWorks today for an estimate to implement electrostatic disinfection services at your facility. openworksweb.com